Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi A1 Plus and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, I'd like to describe actually what we will do in this video. So we've got two different ways of blocking a number. The first way is by using the contact list, so we can block a number which is currently saved. And the second way is, I would say, manual way, so you can enter the number in particular section and then block it. So let's begin with the maybe with the contact list. So let's open it. Open the contact, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block numbers. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because obviously you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here. We've got also this characteristic icon which will show us that this number is blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. This number should appear on the blacklist, so we will check if it worked. So coming to the second way of blocking a number, it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we've got the general section, and let's tap on the blocked numbers, and as you can see, we just entered our contact list. Sorry, not contact list, but the blacklist. And here we've got the number we just blocked from our contacts. So everything went well. We blocked a number successfully. Coming to a second way, as I said, you can enter the number here manually. So just tap on add a number, and as you can see here, you can simply enter it. You can also paste it here if you've got it in the if you previously copied it. So just tap on block after entering, and as you can see, we've got the information that the number has been blocked. What's more, we've got this unknown option at the top, and we can turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher. And from now on, since this option is turned on, your device will be allowed to block the calls from all unidentified callers. So it may be useful in some situations. If you want to unblock the number, also nothing easier. Just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your Redmi A1 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.